Hi, this is Krandel Lee Newton from the original Bud Sketch, and thank you for being a part of this year's Mississippi Children's Museum fundraiser. It's great to be back. Get it? Back. I had the opportunity 10 years ago to help the museum get started. Felt real honored. Was invited back the second year. So it's been a while, but we're going to have fun this evening. So tonight, I'm going to actually be the Bob Ross of Bud Sketch. Through a short video, I'm going to show you how to really do a great Bud Sketch. So grab your subjects and let's go. A few basics. The first thing I want you to do is think of shapes. The body is made of simple shapes. Think of shadows. One of the most important things I want you to remember is if you see a line in your subject, just sketch that line. It's going to be confusing at first, but if you see a line, sketch that line. Okay, here's my subject. Let's get started. Let's start at the back on his shirt. Remember, just grab the lines that you see. Key, simple lines, and strokes are the key. Then you can start at the bottom of the hair, but in this case, leave some room for the hat. You're going to do an oval for the hat, and then draw the hat band like a sideways C. Super, you're doing just fine. Time for the seam. You really got to get that seam right. Okay, here are some outside lines. These are important lines. There you go. Let's finish the legs. Now it's time to do some shading. We're going to finish this thing and make it pop with these shadows. Cool, looking good. Let's add a few details, like the pockets, maybe a logo on the jeans. Super job. Good job. Super. Now you are ready to join the original Bud Sketch World Tour. I had the opportunity 10 years ago to help the museum get started. Felt real honored. It's nice to be a part of this year's festivities. And thank you for all of your donations and participations.